tradition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. As days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
Good morning. This week on Jaguar News, you are going to see our Valentine's Day edition. Sit back, enjoy, and let us know what you think in the comments or by posting on our social media channels. Thank you.
Valentine's Day was coming up, and so I decided to make some red velvet cookies because my boyfriend really loves red velvet. So I got all the ingredients and stuff. I looked up the recipe, got in the ingredients, and so I started mixing the dry ingredients together, which was the flour, the baking soda, the cocoa powder. And so I mixed all that up, and then I got a separate bowl and I started mixing all of the wet ingredients, which was the butter and the sugar first. Well, that was mixed first, and so I put it in the blender, and I turned it on and all that. Yeah, that was very satisfying. Then I got stuck to the whisk, and so I had to push it down. Then I added in the egg, and honestly cracking eggs is amazing. And then I added the vanilla, the lemon juice, and then something else I don't actually remember. And yeah, mixing it kind of looked like I don't even know, it just looked weird. Then I mixed in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, and I let that mix for a little bit. Yeah, that was fun. And then I took it out, and it was really clumpy. So then I put in the white chocolate chips because the recipe called for white chocolate chips. And then I covered it because you have to let it chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And if you guys really want the full recipe, I will send it to you. Just hit me up on Teams, Sydney Price. So then after an hour playing Legend of Zelda, I took it out, set the oven to 350, and then this is me rolling out the balls for the cookies. That was time consuming. It really was. So this is how they came out, and so I put them in the oven and I set the timer for 9 minutes, even though the recipe said 10 to 12 minutes. Oof. This is how they came out. And the recipe also said that I had to put white chocolate chips on top, and so I did. And honestly, that was the best part of the cookie. Oh my goodness, especially when they just came out. And this is how they looked, and they were so good.
Valentine's Day. Yep, Valentine's Day. You know, the day where the boyfriend gets the girlfriend a whole bunch of roses and spend a whole lot of time together. Yeah, that day. Valentine's Day is a good day, especially for people who are in relationships, and not so great for some because they're just laying in their bed alone with nobody to spend time with. But you can always spend time with your family, and hey, for all the lonely people, there's always the next year. So a good place to take your girlfriend or your boyfriend to is probably South Mountain, located in Phoenix, Arizona. Just to spend time with each other there or just hang out. And yeah. You really can't go anywhere during this pandemic, so it's kind of hard to. You can just go to each other's house. That's not bad. That's not a bad idea. So you're probably wondering what to give to your boyfriend or what to give to your girlfriend, and I would give my girl a bracelet, a picture of us or whatever, or get your boyfriend a chain. Obviously you have to get him a diamond tester too, so you can test it out. So mine's 100% diamond. Has a diamond tester. Yeah, so 100% diamond. So, you can also give someone something that comes from the heart, or, that has a backstory to it. That's pretty funny. So, yeah. So that concludes this video for today. Hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day. I'm just going to be... I can't really do anything because of this pandemic. So, have a good Valentine's Day, guys.
Hey God, me again. And you again? First of all, I gave y'all a whole pandemic to worry about, and you're worried about getting a date for one day of the year? No. See, that's not happening. You're not getting a date because I made sure that you were made just in my creation, perpetually alone forever. But can I alone? No. You're staying home. You're staying home, buddy, because nobody in your country wants to wear a mask. So I'm trying to help y'all out, trying to throw y'all bones. I gave y'all the masks. I gave y'all the treatments to work with, and y'all still want to go out and party during this panoramic. Come on! Huh. Go back. Go home. Get some rest. Hi. So, if you're like me, you're perpetually alone forever, and Valentine's Day is your least favorite day because all you see online, on social media, everywhere you look, are happy people and their happy little couples, and it's just sickening because you know you're never gonna have the same happiness that they'll share in that moment. So, on Valentine's Day, here's what I like to do. First, we're gonna get a snack. There's something that you like to eat to drink the pain away. Next, we're going to open your school computer or laptop, any device, and open it to the game Roblox. Then, while the whole place burns to a crisp, just dance around and remember that you may not have control over whether you have a relationship, but you do have control of making sure that everything burns to the ground.
What's up, guys? My name is Jabbar Spence from Jag News, and today I'm going to be giving you my top 3 outfits for Valentine's Day that you should wear on your date. Let's get it started. First things first, for my guys, if you and your significant other are going out to a restaurant or somewhere fancy, I recommend wearing a suit. If you don't got a suit, wear a collared shirt. Make sure the shirt is pink or red so you can represent Valentine's Day. And make sure you have some good dress pants. If you don't have any dress pants, jeans are fine. Make sure they're light blue. Get some nice little shoes that match the shirt, and you're all set to go. So this outfit day is like on Valentine's Day, like if you're with your significant other, if you guys are gonna go skating or to the movies or something like that, I recommend wear some jeans. If you got, like I said, to represent, wear red or pink, something that just gives the vibe of a romantic type theme. Get some shoes to match the top shirt, and you be set. Our third outfit is basically if you and your significant other are gonna go outside or like go to the park or have a picnic or something like that. I recommend wearing shorts, like I said, to represent pink or red, low top shoes, sandals, and yeah, then you're all set. Those are basically my top 3 outfits to wear on Valentine's Day. Hope you guys do it, and happy Valentine's Day. Peace.
One place that you can go on Valentine's Day is Red Lobster. You can go eat and have some fun, stuff like that. Another place is South Mountain. Like you can just go hiking, like one person or like other people. Y'all can just get some good exercise in and just have a good time. And another place, this is my personal opinion, and this is Sky Zone. Sky Zone is a great place. Like, it's active. Y'all get to have fun. Y'all can talk, chill, stuff like that. And yeah, man, those are just some places that you can go on Valentine's Day. Thank you for your time, and yeah, man, peace.
And now it is time for the interview. Let's get into it.
Okay, hello, ma'am. Would you please state your name?
Tanaya DeBrow.
And today I'll be asking you one simple question. Where would you go on Valentine's Day, or where would you like to go?
I would go to Sedona, Arizona.
And why is that?
I would go to Sedona because of the red mountains, the beautiful scenery. Also, it's quiet, peaceful, and the ambience. Also, they have a winery there, so I would enjoy the winery. And you can do the Pink Jeep tour.
Okay, man. Thank you for your time. And this is Janiyah signing out. And yeah, man, peace.
It's a rare conditions